a lot of them next week. What the bulls are going to be hoping for, folks, is that the earnings are going to be okay this next coming quarter. I'm not saying that the earnings are going to just crumble, no, but they're at that tipping point. Forward looking, quarter after quarter, because of what's happening around the world, CapEx spending is going to be reduced. The way that U.S. corporations make money off of these other places such as Europe, Spain, Portugal, all of them, Greece, you name it, they're pulling back their spending. Well, that's going to have an impact forward looking. So as long as I'm just telling you that right there in itself should give you the understanding that, hey, look, 1 and 1 equals 2. Maybe I better take my distributions and get out of the market, and maybe I better come and get with stockmarketfunding.com and get some risk management tools to use. If you want to stay long the market, then you need to protect your assets with downside, short side positions. So the 10-week has crossed over the Dow. We got a 2-week rally. The 50-week was rising. That was the bullish part of it because of the magnitude of the 2-week short cover rally from the. So we sold off right here. We sold off right here in that bar on 425. We said on 424 that you were going to go down hard. And we told people even before 424, even back over here in this week of 425, we told people over here to get out. Sell into it. Get out. They didn't. Go look at our other videos just like we're showing you this one. Look at, we're not here selling you anything. We're here to help you. Now, whether you want to use that advice, that's up to you. So, we've got a long descending blue line, which is a 10-week moving average. That means the up moves are going to be weak, and you need to be selling into strength. We have a 10-week that has gone descended or has crossed over the 20-week, and these resistance levels are going to be sold. The last week was greater than the inside week as far as distribution, as far as that last previous week up move. You have more distribution here. You're sitting at support at the 50-week moving average, a close below the 50-week moving average with the declining 100-week. This whole bottom down here can be taken out very easily. Because what will happen is you get another new fresh round of selling that comes into the market looking at the technicals here with these weekly moving averages. And if we hit the weekly sell signal here, folks, that's this blue bar. Moving average convergence divergence does not deceive anyone because it doesn't. And basically what we're telling you, when we started to sell signal over here, it got pretty bad. But this was in the heart of the financial crisis. Here, when we hit a weekly sell signal, we're going to go much lower. There are going to be times when you get these relief rallies like you did here. Bam. But any relief rally going up will fail no matter what. So if you are holding on and you want to take advantage, I'm not telling you that the earnings season is going to be a disaster. But what I am going to say is that the CEOs of corporate America are looking at the world quite different right now. And even though that the numbers will probably still be decent numbers, it's forward-looking sustainability that you need to be concerned with. And obviously some of the bigger players are getting out of the market. They're selling into strength. They're doing everything. So why wouldn't you? And you can buy bear funds on the Dow. You can short the diamonds. You can buy put options. There's lots of things that you can do and take advantage of the downside move. Just because the markets are going down doesn't mean that you can't be wealthy, because you can. In fact, they go down faster than when they go up. Because if you take a look at this whole area right here in the Dow, the whole little light, these are weekly bars right here, 5-day periods. They're weekly. But look at the up week move from the beginning of the year. Look at that week. Look at the lighter up week moves. But look at the big red bars here. Look at the distribution. The red bars outstrip all of that up move that happened right here. You can see. So that means that people got all exuberant. They crowded in. They pulled the plug like always. Go look at our 10-year Dow history on stockmarketfunding.com. I told everyone, even before this move, I did the 10-year history on the Dow and what it would ultimately turn back into long before this move was made. History repeats itself. So basically, we're in a very bear trend here. And if we close below the 50-week, we're going to go a lot lower. If we hit the blue bar down here, the MACD, if you want to learn more about some of these blue bars, moving average, convergence, divergence, the percent DS, the percent DA, some of these things, just give us a call. We'll be happy to get with you. As long as you want the right education, we're here for you. So basically, we got a lot more selling here last week. And what the bulls are going to do is they're going to say that, hey, the earnings aren't going to be bad. Well, maybe they won't be. But any pop up, if I were you, I would be selling into the market. I would not hold on thinking that you're, going to be okay on all of those reports and everything that you're going to hear out from the television stations and our financial advisors and all the wackos out there. What I would do is be proactive if I were you. And any up moves that you get, like you had this double week up move here, which was a good place to go long short term, is to sell into it and to get on the other side of the market. And take a look at our S&P 500 video. Same thing is happening there is happening here. And I'm calling a bear trend as I called a bear trend over here. We have the live trades that we did and the live analysis that we gave you, like we're giving you now. Go to our website, find it, and get proactive and keep visiting us. We'll try to here to help the innocent now. The people that are innocent to the move. Don't understand what's going on. You had a great opportunity here. You made money off of that big sell program that started in 07. And we shorted this market all the way down. Then we went long as well. Got all the trades, got all the got everything to prove it to you. We're not here to prove anything to you. We're here to try to give you an open view and some in-depth insight as to what you should be doing. So the whole move that started over here, we're at a bottom, and that's a reversal week. We'll see what happens next week. Remember, in volatility, you could even pop back up here to 11,000 on the Dow, but you'd end back over here at 8,500. Right over here in this green bar. So, you have a bear market. Stay tuned. We're about to hit a weekly sell signal on the Dow. Dow bear trend.